Today, I want to talk about an inherited metabolic disorder, an IEM, that's often mistaken for autism, ADHD, epilepsy, or even a primary psychiatric condition, creatine deficiency syndromes, or CDS. And first, don't think of creatine as just a gym supplement. Inside the body, it acts more like a rapid energy buffer for the brain and muscles. When the brain or muscles suddenly need a surge of energy, creatine helps meet that demand quickly, so things don't crash. If someone is born unable to make creatine, or they can make it but can't deliver it into the brain and muscles, that's when CDS can happen. CDS is usually grouped into three main types. 1. AGAT deficiency, also referred to as GATM deficiency. The first step of creatine synthesis is impaired. 2. GAMT deficiency. The second step of creatine synthesis is impaired. 3. SLC6A8 transporter deficiency, also called CTD or CRTR. Creatine is produced, but the transporter doesn't work, so creatine can't get into cells. What all three have in common is simple: too little creatine in the brain. That's why symptoms often include developmental delay, speech delay, and learning difficulties. And sometimes autism-like traits, hyperactivity, seizures, or movement abnormalities. So how do you test for it? Think of it as a three-step approach. Step 1. Blood and urine metabolic screening. You're looking closely at GAA and the relationship between creatine and creatinine. High GAA points more toward GAMT deficiency. Low GAA points more toward AGAT deficiency. And in boys, a markedly high urine creatine to creatinine ratio can suggest SLC6A8 transporter deficiency. Step 2. Brain MRI with MRS, magnetic resonance spectroscopy. This helps you see whether the brain's creatine signal is clearly reduced. Step 3. Genetic testing to confirm the diagnosis. That means checking GATM/AGAT, GAMT, and SLC6A8. Bottom line, CDS is essentially an energy system problem. On the surface, it may look like developmental or behavioral issues, but with the right workup, you can uncover what's really going on.